What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be running out another downspout and tying in a sump pump line into it, bringing it out, coming down, 90ing around to a pop-up right around here to let the water facilitate everywhere, go down to the nearest grate. As you can see over here, this will be the downspout that will be coming out. This is the sump pump line that they had going in before. It comes into the hole. We're gonna pull it out into our trench, into the actual 4-inch pipe, so that way it'll all be in underground, going out all the way, instead of whatever the heck this little mini dry well discharge area was, because all this would do was build up, come out, and then drain right back to our house. This way the water actually be leaving the property, going down the street. All right, step one is complete now. First off, you have to rake all the rock back, so that way when you're done, you can rake everything back over it and make it look like you were never here. That is an very important step of the entire process. Plus, you get to see exactly how the ground is and what might be in your way. Now, start digging. And here we go. Now we have it all dug out. That's where it's gonna end. It's gonna build up, overflow, go down the street. We have it going all the way to the house. It's going to pick up this downspout and the sump pump. As you can see, we are going downhill. So as soon as the water goes in, that all from the downspout is going to go, but it's also going to have this pump behind it kicking it, and everything's going to flow to the street nicely. Not over here anymore building up, just to recycle back into the house. And since this is pressurized, even though it's just not going in, hooking right up to it, we're putting it in there. We want to make sure it does not come apart at all. So you have to glue it, people. Please, anytime you're doing anything with a pump, when it's pressurized, you glue it. Here we go, all piped up, put together. As you can see, the pop-ups here at the end, we have rock all around it and under it, so that way the little hole that's in the bottom of the 90, when the water is no longer flowing, it can be going out of the bottom back into the earth. As you can see, we have the bubble all the way downhill, completely downhill. So as soon as the water hits this corner from either the downspout or the sump pump, it's all going to just rush all the way down to the street. As you can see over here, also downhill to level. There we go. Now to backfill and show how it works. And here we go. This is it working at the end. Water is coming out, facilitating, rolling down, coming down the little gully I made, and goes all the way down the street towards the grate. Another job well done by Stafford Park Drainage and Water Solution, LLC. And this is what it looks like. Just like in the beginning, like we were never here.